everybody. I just wanted to share my pride and joy. This is my greenhouse. I have it inside the house. I've moved all of my houseplants in here. I am so excited that my pink princess is finally starting to perk up and put out better leaves. I bought this thing for $5 on clearance because it had like root rot. My looking glass begonias are looking really good. Some of them have humongous leaves. This is a Cobra Monstera. That's really cool looking. I just did a cutting of that this morning so I could get another one of those. My mini Monstera down here is doing really good. This is a giant alocasia. I just can't remember what the name of it was. My Peru is doing really good. Little rabbit's foot ferns everywhere. More begonias over there. Some more alocasia Polly and Jacqueline grown from corms over here. My little dragon scale, whatchamacallit, peperomia. Those are heartleaf philodendron. Another begonia here. Here's a white knight. It doesn't have very much white on it though, if any at all. So maybe the little baby from there will get some white on it eventually. Let's see. Well, this is a Verde. The coloring on that one's not too great, but it's better over here. That's from the same plant. You know what, guys? I don't know what this is, but it's got cute little leaves. If anybody knows what that is, let me know. Got more begonias over there. And pothos coming out my ears. I believe that's the golden pothos. I got marble queen in this basket here. We've got sweet potato plant over here. Gosh, what else? That's a bromelid that I had in a terrarium, and all the leaves came off, but it looks like it's starting to come back. I got these cute little pink panther vines, also known as turtle vines, right there. Umbrella plant, variegated umbrella plants. I'm not really sure if these are caladiums or syngoniums, to be honest. And of course, tons of these Monstera deliciosa. I'm so excited I'm finally starting to get some fenestrations on the leaves. That took forever. So this is from my first Monstera plant that I got in April of this year, and I ended up making 8 different plants from it because it just kept putting out babies and stuff. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. If you have any questions, or if you're local to me near Mesquite, Texas, and you'd like to trade for some of these, let me know. I've got tons of different pothos, begonias, alocasias, philodendrons, monsteras. Oh, I got the Swiss cheese monstera down here. Silver pothos. This is a blue something pothos that has fenestrations. It's a silver streak pothos. So anywho, thanks for watching.